VIST stock, is this the right time to buy? Going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Vista Energy stock is very decent performance, at least for Thursdays, because today is obviously a holiday, but 7% up. If I come here to the end of week report, which I saw like a 25% combined, which is great end of week report. I also like the bullish trend idea here and whatnot. Now, I've made more videos than anyone else in the space, with the most videos made and the most proof documented, right? 39,000 videos. With this in mind, all I'm looking to do with VIST is still hopefully take it up, you know, and buy and bid on the right side of the freaking trend. Because I promise you, because there is 2 games in trading, getting inside a trade game and then managing the trade game, I promise you the second game is far more rewarding than the first. But again, they kind of work in tandem, because without the first you cannot be in the second, if you know what I mean. But yeah, looking at this, I like the bullishness. I mean, even entering kind of this next week, the only thing that will make me kind of be bullish on this sort of range is going to be a little correction, and then only if the rules are met, then I'm looking to take it up, right? Rather than that, it's all noise. So I will definitely continue to keep you updated, and let me know what is your opinion on VIST. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.